Converting made easy. I'm going to show you how to convert a JPEG or a PNG file into a cuttable SVG file for your Cricut. Now for this conversion, we're going to be using the Cricut Design Space app. Now when we open the app, we're going to press the little green plus button at the bottom center. Next, we're going to click on Upload and upload our picture file. The next step is to click wherever your picture file is located. For this example, my pictures are in my files, so I'm going to click Browse Files. Next up, you're going to pick the picture file you want to use. We're going to use this fluffy kitty because he looks like our kitty. Now you can subscribe to their subscription service, but for this example you won't need to, so press the little X in the top right hand corner. Now we're ready to remove the background from this fluffy kitty. We're going to use the Select tool and remove the background. Now any part of the background we want to remove, we're going to put in the crosshairs and click. Up here above the kitty, we're going to click on the white part, remove. On the side here, we're going to click on the white, remove. Underneath the kitty, we're going to click on the white and remove. And now near the tail, looks like we might have to zoom in to get this part. We zoom in, put it in the crosshairs, and remove. There, now we have a clear background. Now that we have the background cleared, we're going to click on Apply. And we're going to click Single Layer, creates a simple one color image or silhouette. Now that sounds perfect since this is a silhouette. Now you're ready to name the file. This file we're going to call Fluffy Kitty. No, Fluffy Cat. That sounds better. Fluffy Cat Shadow. Being descriptive will help you later when you look for the file. Now we have an uploaded, cuttable file we can use on our Cricut. Now we resize the image to fit whatever cutting mat you're using and whatever size vinyl you're cutting on. Now since this is going to go on our litter box, I need two kitties, one for each side. I'm going to resize it down to 6 inches. Scoot it over a little bit. Make him a little chubbier like our kitty. Next I'm going to duplicate it, one for the other side. Now we have two kitties, exactly the same size. Converted from JPEG pictures. Now these are both cuttable files, so now we're finally ready to click on the Make It button. Now that'll populate the cutting screen. We have two kitties. It says mat 1 of 1. Cutting on a 12-inch manual, mirror off, basic cut. Now we click on Next. And we load our material. We're going to stick our vinyl to our cutting mat. And we're going to load the cutting mat into the machine. Now let's go over to our machine. For this example, I'm using the Explore Air 2. Here we have a regular blade loaded on the B side. Next we're going to load our mat. With a little bit of gentle pressure, we're going to set the mat in the rail. Push it against the wheels and push load. And that's going to grab the mat and it's going to set the plotter. And now if everything is good and our little Cricut is happy, we'll be able to press the go button. I always click on fast mode. Press the flashing go button. It's go time, son. Press the Cricut. No, now we're cutting. Cutting. It takes a little bit, but it cuts pretty fast, especially on speedy cut. And now we have two cuts. Action complete. Now we're ready to unload our cut. So now we go back over to the machine. The plotter is going to be done, so we're going to press the eject button. Well, it's the load button, but it's eject button this time. Now we have two cuts and we're done with the program. Now to pull and give them some tape. Now forgive my messy tape job. These are just for the cat litter box, so I didn't want to waste any good tape. It had some dust in it. Looks just like our fluffy boy. Yeah, maybe he'll recognize himself when he gets to the box. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about this process, just leave me a comment. I can usually answer pretty fast. And all you gotta do is just keep pressing that Cricut button.